Hi, today I want to share with you two of my most beautiful Vogel or Vogel style crystals that I have the pleasure to own or work with. This is a Vogel style crystal with 48 size, and this one is an authentic Vogel crystal with 44 size. As you can see, it is beautifully cut. They are about the same length, which is 6.5 inches long. This Vogel style crystal has this widest width is about 2 inches wide. As you can see, the hand cutting is very smooth. It shows the modern technique which make the facet extremely shiny. And this one, the authentic Vogel, as you can see, the facet has much rigid and much more faceted. When the light shining against it, maybe you can notice there's some tiny hairlines, the horizontal lines, which indicate that it's been cut by a special tool. It's a special marking left behind. It's a special trace or special marking created by a special tool back to old days. But you can see it's absolutely amazing and perfectly cut. This shows how they look under the sunlight. It is absolutely, I am almost speechless. They are just so pretty. I can staring at them for such a long time because they are just, they're representing the energy and the amazing work that Mr. Marcel created or started. And I know there are so many so-called Vogel crystals on the market, but again, as long as they market it as Vogel style in a modern day, I would be greatly appreciated because there are so many people wanting this Vogel style crystal, but in order to locate a authentic one or from the people who authorized or trained by Marcel, even to today, from their shops, the price can be very, very high, and not many people can be able to find one or afford one. So again, there's true Vogel, there are authentic Vogel, which has been cut by the people who was trained by Marcel. And also there are other cutters out there try to follow the Marcel's rule, but as long as they market it as a Vogel style, I think I took everything as a positive sign because then Marcel's cutting method or his love towards this amazing crystal or cutting method will be passing on and be appreciated by more and more people in terms of helping more and more people. I truly believe that we need more energy healers around the world. Thanks so much for viewing my video, And I hope you will enjoy these two crystals as much as I do.